In a simulated scenario, a peaceful coastal town faces an unexpected tsunami warning. With minimal time and resources, residents must act swiftly. First, they gather essential items: sturdy backpacks, water purification tablets, and a fire-starting kit. Next, they craft makeshift flotation devices using empty plastic containers and duct tape. As the waves loom, they establish a communication plan using signal mirrors and whistles. Meanwhile, they secure their home by creating a fire break with garden tools to prevent flames from spreading in the event of a fire. These techniques not only enhance survival chances, but also foster a sense of community. Remember, preparing now means protecting yourself when disaster strikes.